In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Spotify on PS5 while playing a game. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, if you want to use Spotify on PS5 while playing a game, you need to have other device, okay? It is impossible to play the game on PS5 and use Spotify at the same moment on PS5 too. What you need to do is use a phone or your computer to listen to music while playing PS5. So find the music that you want to listen while playing, okay? And play the music, use a headphone to listen the music and play your game. That is the only way to do this process. It is impossible, I will repeat, it is impossible to use Spotify on PS5 while playing a game. I hope I help you on how to use Spotify on PS5 while playing a game. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.